Now let's develop the circular radial chart together. We already developed our needed X and Y. So let's direct the X to the rows and direct the Y to the columns. In here, we need to change them to the dimension part. Change the dimension and also dimensions. And we need to check about our X and Y. What kind of measure have we tried to use from here? We already give them like a specific condition for the parameter section. So look at this parameter. Whenever we have like a CO2 emission, then we will have like CO2 emission value. And whenever we're gonna choose for the mid consumption, then we will have the mid consumption. Let's see. Here, so many year data set is already cumulative to show. I want to keep them like filter. So drag the year to check the specific year I want to display. 1961, 70, 80, 90, 2000, 2010, and 2020. Now we got a better and clear dots from the chart. So from here, we want to give them like a specific color region following the region. Where's the region data set? Here, WHO region. This is the color legend we're gonna use. So drag the region to the column. Now we got this data set, and we want to keep them like a different size following the measure size. Measure volume going to be indicate the size of the bubble, and let's drag the measure. Look at LOD. When the parameter switch is looking for CO2, then we're going to use like a CO2 emission as a measure, and exactly the same like vice versa. So drag the measure to the size. Now we can get a specifically different size per country, per region, and we want to bring up the country information inside of the chart. Then drag the country information to the detail. Look at the part. The X and Y position, we got the country information, we got the region information for the color legend, and we got the switch measure volume. So I want to change it as an average, even I put like average value. Let's change into the CO2 emissions. Here, we can see the slightly different size of the bubble because they have a two different measure. Now, we got how to use the switch measure and how to develop the radial bar chart.